Hi, my name is Robert Adams. I'm a lawyer. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about myths and facts about personal bankruptcy. The credit industry spends a good deal of time and money to try to prevent individuals or delay them, even when they're way over their head in debt. Why? They want to squeeze every last dime possible. In my opinion, when you have serious debt problems, you have to analyze, can you repay your debts off in a reasonable period of time and live comfortably? If the answer is no, then you should at least consider what's available with bankruptcy law. I'm going to go over a few points, some myths and some facts. First of all, the myth. You will lose everything in a bankruptcy. False. Why? The law provides that you can keep a certain amount of your property after you file a Chapter 7. These things are called exemptions. Any lawyer will go over your property. And if there's a danger that your assets are too much, this usually happens when you have a lot of equity in your home. They will advise you. You can then make decisions. You have options. Perhaps you'll file a Chapter 13. In a Chapter 13, where you have assets over and above what you could keep in a Chapter 7, you pay that amount. You pay it over a period of time. It's a lot easier. And it's organized. The means test. This is a frequent thing that comes up. Individuals with consumer debt, when they're going to file a bankruptcy, have to file what's called a means test. Essentially, you have to list the gross income in the household and the number of dependents. It really only applies to a very small percentage of people. The idea, if you're a high earner in the view of the bankruptcy laws, you should probably file a Chapter 13 rather than a Chapter 7. Lawyers will advise you on it. And we have means of using everything available within the law to help you basically pass the means test. You will not be able to buy a car or house after you file bankruptcy. Absolutely false. After filing the Chapter 7, many of our clients immediately get a loan to buy another car. Many of our past clients are homeowners. Stress. This is a big factor when you're way over your head in debt. It's highly stressful. You have collection letters, collection calls, possible wage assignment, lawsuits. You're fighting with your creditors. You're paying this creditor and not that creditor, etc. Stress is very unhealthy. It can lead to strokes. It can be fatal. Stress over financial matters can cause marital problems. Many clients have told me that as soon as they filed a bankruptcy, it was the first time they were able to get a good night's sleep in a very long time. Bankruptcy allows you to pay your debts that aren't dischargeable in a Chapter 7. For instance, you may owe some money to the IRS, back child support, there's some others. Some people still file a Chapter 7 because the debts that are not dischargeable are manageable after filing a Chapter 7. Others file a Chapter 13, where they can pay these debts over a period of time. And for the other debts, usually a small dividend. No rule fits everyone. You have a particular problem, your neighbor has another type of problem with money. Fortunately, the bankruptcy code is sufficiently flexible that it can handle most situations. So you can have a resolution of your problem. Bankruptcy benefits the economy and society. When you're deeply in debt, you're not really able to participate in the economy. You can't get new loans. You might not be able to start a business. Calls at the office or workplace may interfere with your job. Once you file a bankruptcy, you get to solve these problems and life can go on. Many of our clients, as I said, have bought cars and have got mortgages on houses, and some started businesses. When you're deeply in debt, bankruptcy should not be the last option. You should know and understand what's available and do what you think is in your best interest. And lawyers are here to help you. Well, I hope this video has been of some assistance to you, some help. As a way of disclaimer, a video like this can't be regarded as legal advice, just general information. So I hope it's helped you. And if you have a problem, you should call a lawyer. Possibly call our office. We're located in both Chicago, Illinois, and Waukegan. Again, thank you for watching our video, and God bless you.